My name is 𝐅𝐆 Fatma. I am in class 8th A in 𝐅𝐵 School number 1 Salkot, Kent. I participated in a Wagner competition and I made a beautiful fairy tale house with plaster of Paris craft. I made this cute ducks with white and green clay and the water is made up of slime. The stairs is made up of popsicle sticks, and this house is made up of plaster of paris craft, and yellow and pink paint is used to make this house. The house is used a light that is on or off. The button is here, and I also made this artificial grass with a sponge that is used in kitchens. I made this cactus plant from clay. I made this swing from plaster of paris craft. The swing also swing. The cute puppy is made up of white clay and a yellow flower is used to make this puppy house. And this is a garbage box that is used to throw garbage in it. This is a pathway where the people can walk on it. All these things are made of plaster of Paris craft and clay. Let's go to make this beautiful plaster of Paris fairy tale tree house.